God bless you. This is Pastor Derek coming to you on another Motivation Monday. I am so excited about what God is doing. I'm telling you, you hear it every week. I'm excited. Why? Because my perspective is always right. I believe that no matter what I go through, that God has great things in store for me. I believe that everything that I deal with is because God is divinely orchestrating every step of my life. I'm believing God for the outcomes, not just for the transitions. The outcomes say it's going to be great. The outcomes say it's going to work well. The Bible teaches us, according to Romans 8:28, and we know that all things work together for the good of them that love the Lord. I'm telling you right now, no matter what you're going through, good, bad, ugly, it's all working together for your good. Stay encouraged. Do not quit because of what you see. God's going to change your perspective, I promise you. Have a wonderful Monday and have a blessed week on purpose. God bless you. This is another Motivation Monday. I'm Pastor Derek McGray. Come visit us at the Experience Christian Center. I promise you, you enjoy yourselves.